Alright, a really quick update for episode 5. I was still feeling a bit crook, so I decided not really to film much. But at the end of the day now, and I thought I'd show you I did get a lot done. So I'll take you over to the bench and then show you exactly what I've gotten up to today. If you've been following along, last weekend I made the lock bar. Was the first part that I made, and the reason that I made that was so that when I machined the inside for this, I could make sure that it fits up in there. So this weekend has been really good. I've made the fixture and then today run the 2 handle sides, just the interiors of them, to make sure that the lock bar would fit and all my holes were to tolerance and everything like that. So I've marked one of them as prototype number 1. And on the other one, I've put the date in June 23. So it's gone really well. I didn't really film much at all with the machining, just because of being a little bit under the weather. I wanted to really just be able to concentrate on what I was doing. And that's gone really well. So that's pretty much it. A really short episode number 5 for the prep for the Sydney Knife Show. Next weekend I'll do the programming to profile the outside of these handle parts and cut them free as well. Thanks for following along, and I'll put a link to some of the other videos in the series alongside this bit at the end, and keep following along, and I'll see you at Sydney Knife Show in a month or 2.